Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a door handle on a Ford Transit. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement handle for your van. Before you begin, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical issues during the process. This ensures a safe working environment for everyone. Now, let's get that old handle out. Start by gently prying off the interior door panel. Use a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratching your paint or damaging the plastic clips. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors and the door lock and handle cables. Finally, locate and unscrew the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the handle assembly to the door frame. This will allow you to remove the old handle. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully slide the new door handle into the opening, ensuring it sits flush with the door's exterior. Reinsert and tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts to secure the handle firmly in place. Next, reconnect the door lock and handle cables to their respective points on the new handle assembly. Make sure these connections are secure for proper operation. Almost done. Now, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap into place and any screws are reinserted. Reconnect your vehicle's battery. Before closing everything up, test the new door handle multiple times to ensure it operates smoothly and the door latches correctly. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your Ford Transit door handle.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.